In today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys how you can get your 4,000 watch hour with these simple 4 tips. If you're looking forward to get your 4,000 watch hour, this video is for you. This video is for all YouTubers that are looking forward to get 4,000 watch hour and monetize on YouTube. First, if you don't know, for you to monetize on YouTube, you need to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. And 4,000 watch hour has been a lot more difficult for a lot of content creators, because if you ask so many content creators, what is your major challenge, they will tell you 4,000 watch hour. But with these 4 tips, if you're able to apply all of these 4 tips, you are going to be monetizing ASAP on YouTube. A lot of my content creators and my community people have been able to monetize these past few weeks using this same strategy, and yours will definitely not be different. Beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibe with Sonia, and I'm back again with another man blow with video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do what, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with that being said, let's just get right into this video. So the first thing that I will love you to do if you want to get your 4,000 watch hour, of which that can never be overemphasized, is consistency. Without consistency on this YouTube street, that 4,000 watch hour is definitely not going to be achieved. That is just the honest truth. Let me just call it the honest, bitter truth, because a lot of people be like, have been consistent on YouTube, but just be sincere with yourself. How consistent are you on YouTube? That is the first question you should ask yourself. So if you're looking forward to get your 4,000 watch hour, consistency should be your main key. Consistency should be your main goal, because that thing is what will actually help you to achieve the exact thing that you are looking for. And when I mean consistency, I always say this: let's not confuse consistency for because Vibe with Sonia posts every day, I have to post every day. Because Vibe with Sonia posts 3 times in a day, I have to post 3 times in a day. That is not consistency. Consistency is do what best fits you. I will keep saying it on this YouTube street. If it is one day that you want to be uploading every week, do it if that is your own consistency. But the good part is, let YouTube have a straight schedule for you that every so day you are always going to be uploading. And when you're going around with your consistency, make sure that the timing to your consistency is also very important. So if you're uploading your video 6 p.m., always ensure you upload your video 6 p.m. Not uploading 6 p.m. and tomorrow you're coming to upload 8 p.m. Let your consistency be straightforward, and let YouTube be able to work and track the exact time you are always available to upload videos on YouTube. The second thing for you to do, guys, for you to be able to go live, is live stream. And I emphasize on live stream a lot because I knew that I monetize using live stream, and that is why I can categorically tell you that yes, you can use live stream to monetize. And we've had so many channels recently. If you've been following my community tab, you've been seeing a lot of congratulations to people that are monetized directly from my community, and I'm so happy for them. And most of them got this monetization through live streaming. So if you've been joking with live stream, or you've not been taking your live stream serious, or you don't even know anything about live stream, you don't even want to focus about anything on live stream, yours is just to come here and upload long form videos, trust me, you are doing the wrong thing. If you're looking for that 4,000 watch hour and you want to monetize, try to go live. And for you to go live, you need 50 subscribers and you need to verify your YouTube channel. So, but even if you verify your YouTube channel and you have less than 50 subscribers, you can still go live. But on this option now, you cannot go live with YouTube app directly. The only way you can go live now is by using either OBS, or you're using StreamYard, or you're using Prison Live. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I know that these 3 websites, you can actually go live with 0 subscribers. I remember when I was looking for how I can go live when I have not gotten my 50 subscribers, when I was looking forward to monetize, I used Prison Live to go live. And trust me, using these things are not even difficult at all. All you need to do is to Google and know exactly which one is best for you, and you can go live and start generating watch hour even before you're thinking of getting all of that subscribers. Because like I said, subscribers is even way easy, but watch hour looks a little bit, difficult. And another thing again is when during this live stream, you must not put out your face there. There is something we call silent live stream. You can also do this silent live stream as well. So a lot of people might ask, what is silent live stream? Silent live stream is when you go to your YouTube app on your live stream and then face it to anywhere you want to face it to. You can also do this with your OBS. You can also do this with your Prison Live. You can also do this with StreamYard. And I hope that is clear enough. So after you turn on your camera, the only thing for you to do is to face your camera to any direction that you want to face it, and you are good to go. You are good to go, okay? Yes, literally your live stream will be reading out until anytime you want to like end it, you can come and end it. So you can do this live stream for at least minimum of 1 hour and maximum of 10 hours. So if I were you and I'm looking for watch hour, I will not take this particular live stream on for a joke. Then the third thing that can actually give you that 100% 4,000 watch hour on this particular YouTube street is by using restream. A lot of people have been talking about restream, but I have not personally done a particular video about restream. But I also told you how I did a video on how you can be able to do restream without having any issue. And how can you do this? If you want to use restream to monetize, make sure that the videos you're using to do restream, it is not another person's video. And if you're taking anybody's video, maybe from this free site where we have all these free video clips, you can make sure that those videos are also going to be edited by you before you start using them. But for me, preferably, if you want to use restream, make sure you use your own video for restream. And the good part about restream is this: your live stream is not just going to be like so bored, like just like when you have to like do a silent live stream and nobody is seeing. For restream, you have a video that you're going to be looping, and as that video is looping, playing over and over, your hours are counting and a lot of views are going to be accumulated. Like I've literally seen some of my community members getting 1.4 million views from their restream. I've seen some getting 300 and something K view, 500 and something K view. And if you are among those ones that use your restream to monetize, please let us know as well in the comment section. So using restream is not difficult. A lot of people have done tutorials about restream, and you can also do well to check their tutorials to see the one that best fits you. Now, the only thing you need to do is you need to go to your Chrome. If you go to your Chrome, you type restream.io.com. okay, if you type restream io, I think is it io or oi.com, whichever one, I'll be leaving it on the screen, and you can be able to follow the steps and procedures for you to get started using restream. But trust me, if you use restream the right way, yes, restream can monetize you. But one thing for sure I don't know is if restream is really affiliated with YouTube. But a lot have been getting monetized as well. Like I said, please do well to carry out your research before you apply anything that I'm saying on this YouTube channel. Fourth thing that can get you monetized on this YouTube street is to upload something that has value. Upload videos that had value. In every video that you're trying to bring out here, make sure that there are videos that have value. The first question you should ask yourself is, if I see this particular video, will I be able to click? Will I be able to watch? If this video fall on my FYP as a viewer, can I click this video and watch? And if the answer is you cannot click this video and watch, then I wonder why you are going ahead, you just go ahead and start uploading such videos. So make sure that anything you're bringing to YouTube, those are things that have value. Value is everything on this YouTube street. Nobody want to come and board yourself anymore. Nobody wants to come and watch what will not add something to their life. So in every category that you are on filming your YouTube video, be it lifestyle, tutorial, anything at all you are doing on YouTube, the only thing you should not joke with, even if you joke with these three things that I said, you should never joke with value, because for just the valuable content that you can bring, only one video can give you that 4,000 watch hour, and you don't even need the remaining three that I've already said earlier. So if you have been joking with value, please don't joke with value. I keep emphasizing on value because I know what value has actually brought to my YouTube street. Before you film a video, the first question you should ask yourself is, who is this video for? Is this video going to make impact? Is this video going to bring value to so and so group? Who are my videos for? what categories, what gender do I want them to be watching my video. And by the time you have all of this planned out and then you film a video and then upload here, trust me, getting the 4,000 watch hour will not be a problem. Getting the 1,000 subscribers will not be a problem, and everything will just fall under your table, easy peasy. And I hope this video is able to help someone out there. If you are still looking or struggling for 4,000 watch hour, apply these 4 tips that I've been able to bring down to your table, and by the special grace of God, you are definitely going to be getting there. And for disclaimers, do what to carry out your research over and over again. This video is for educational purpose and for also sharing with you my experience, what enabled me to get my 4,000 watch hour. If you're still struggling with your YouTube channel and you want me to personally go into your YouTube channel to check and see what is wrong in your YouTube channel, that is my job here. I go into your YouTube channel personally to be able to see what is happening, what is working and not what is not working, and how we can be able to make sure that your YouTube channel gets to that success level. If you also have 0 subscribers, you've not created channel at all, it is not a problem. We also build channel from scratch. All you need to do is to check this flyer that is displaying on the screen, and you need to email me at faithonoja3195@gmail.com with the email attached to the flyer that you are seeing right now, and we are good to go. If you have not subscribed at this point, please, what are you waiting for? If you have any video in mind and you want me to film for you, feel free to ask, because my job here is ask your asking, I am delivering. And yes, thank you so much for staying stick and hook me to the end of this video. If you've not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And with no further ado, I do add like always in my videos. I'm going to be Simba, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.